Hello viewers, Instagram voice message not playing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram voice message not playing problem. So let's see the step. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. So go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram app if it available. After completing the update process, now go back to home screen. Now long press on Instagram app. Now click on I button or app info. Scroll down, click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone. After all these steps, I hope your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.